7-8 Adam, this is Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding code 3 to command post at Gridley and Braunfield. Barricade hostage situation.
Gold.
Civilian contact,
Regroup.
no
Be ready to move.
suspects. Check. Rejoining you.
On your knees, now!
Unarmed contact in sight.
Police! Get down!
Just stay out of it. Police, get those hands up!
Hands up!
What the hell?
I'll
Hands
just
in the
stay out
air!
of this,
Get
okay?
down!
Contact
With you,
has
just tell me you'll get
complied.
me out of here.
What's up? I
Entry
thought you
team
guys
to
were gonna
talk.
rescue me.
Civilian ready to evacuate.
Roger. We'll come in when it's clear.
Police! Get down now!
Just get me out of
Civilian
here!
is compliant.
Ouch!
Talk, this
You're
is
getting
entry
me out
team.
of here, right?
Civilian secured and ready to evacuate.
Copy. We'll be ready for them.
A cop!
Police! On your knees!
Unarmed contact. No suspects in sight.
On the ground!
I'm not one
now!
of the shooters.
Get down! Hands in the air!
Not more gunmen.
Civilian has complied.
Damn, you've got nerve. You gotta keep
Entry
your
team
eyes
to
out. They're
talk.
hiding all over
Civilian
the
ready
building.
to evacuate.
Been waiting for you, I think.
Roger. We'll come in when it's clear.
Stay calm. Everything will be all right.
I'll shoot! I swear
Drop
I
your
will!
weapons!
Contact in
Those
sight.
hands up! Go! Police!
Hands
on
in the
your
air,
knees!
now.
Hands up!
This
Hands
is
in the
my
air! Get
business.
down!
won't
Police!
get
On your
down.
You
knees!
can't just order me around.
On the ground! Now!
This is my business.
Civilian is compliant.
This is ridiculous.
Talk, this is entry
You're supposed to be
team.
rescuing
Civilian
me,
is safe,
not
secure, and ready for
hog-tying me.
evac.
Suspect spotted.
There you go.
Hands
Roger
up and
that.
get
Police
down! Drop
standing
your
by.
weapons!
Hey, I didn't do nothing.
Police! Put your hands up!
Damn.
Talk, this is entry
been the
team.
worst job I've
Suspect
ever
secured.
done.
Talk, this is entry
Huh?
team.
What?
We have a dead suspect.
Help me! They're everywhere! Oh my god.
Hands up!
Suspect spotted. Not catching them
Idiots
soon.
were shooting at the
What now?
servers!
No weapons here.
Away from me!
Got a contact.
Get away!
Suspect in sight. They're out of sight.
Hold on.
Police! Hands up now!
Fuck you!
I won't get in your way!
Suspect
Entry
fleeing.
team to talk. We have a suspect down.
Range. Orders
On the
next
ground!
right now.
Now! Police! Get down now!
They're trying to
Cops
kill
are
me!
here. Suspect spotted.
Get down! Get your ass down!
Talk, this is entry team. We have a dead suspect.
Roger that. Standing by for further reports.
Just tell me you'll get me out
Contact
of here.
has complied.
Can't believe
Entry
it.
team to talk. Suspect in custody, ready for pickup.
Can't believe it.
Roger that. Standing by for further
Damn it.
reports.
You're gonna
Talk,
get me
this
out
is
of
entry
here?
team. Civilian secured and ready to evacuate.
Copy. We'll be ready for them.
That way!
Get those hands in the air! Do it now! Get down!
Those
hands
idiots
in the
were
air!
shooting at the
On the
servers!
ground now!
Civvy is compliant.
I can't
Entry
believe I
team to
came into
talk.
work today.
Civilian ready
Just
to
for an hour,
evacuate.
I said. I'll be out by 2,
Roger
I
that.
said.
Trailer standing by.
Police! On your knees!
Who the hell are you? Hey!
Oh! Get down! I'll put you down!
Shit, I thought I was
Civilian
gonna
is
die.
compliant.
He's gone, boss. Next. What do they
Talk,
want?
this is entry team.
Why would anyone
Civilian
take over
secured and
this
ready to
company?
evacuate.
Copy. We'll be ready for them.
That one's
Get
getting
down
away.
and show me your
Orders?
hands! Police, on your knees!
He won't get down.
Hands up!
He's not complying.
On the
Taking
ground
off. This one
now!
won't give up.
Entry team to talk. There's a down suspect here.
Roger. Waiting for your all clear.
This was
We'll
the
have you out
worst
of here
night.
soon.
Entry team to talk. Civilian is okay, ready for evac.
Copy. Trailer's standing by.
Police, get down now! Get down! Get down! Hands in the air!
I'm just standing here. Hey, you guys found
Entry
him?
team to talk. Civilian ready to evacuate.
Copy. Keep it up.
Fall in on me.
What? Down.
No more warnings. With you.
Talk, this is entry team. We have a dead suspect.
Roger that. Standing by for further reports.
Help me! They're everywhere!
Police, get down now!
Don't shoot me!
Hands up!
Zip him up. Here we go.
I don't believe this
Civilian
is happening!
complied.
Don't shoot me! Ow!
Talk, this
That's
is entry
tight!
team. Civilian secured and ready to evacuate.
Took you long enough to get
Suspect
us.
Roger
secured.
that. Trailer
Feeling
standing
stupid
by.
yet?
Regroup and stand by to move.
Roger.
You're a piece of
Moving to
work.
you.
On your 6.
Guess they called out the big guns.
Police, get down now!
Hurry, hurry, you've got to stop them.
Get down!
Civilian contact. No suspects in sight.
Hands in the air! Get down!
Tell me this will be
Civilian
over
has
soon.
complied.
Don't tie me
Entry
up.
team to
Just
talk.
get me out of
Civilian
here.
is okay, ready for evac.
Copy. Trailer standing by.
Entry team to talk. Civilian hit, in need of medical attention. Be ready. Entry
Roger
team
that.
to talk.
EMTs
Civilian
standing
down,
by.
but breathing. Ready for evac.
Copy. Notifying EMTs.
Put your hands up and get down!
I got a suspect. He won't
Police!
get down.
Put your hands up!
Suspect neutralized.
Entry team to talk. There's a down suspect here.
Roger. Waiting for your all clear.
Hey, wait!
Entry team to
Why are you
talk.
treating me
Civilian
like a
ready to
criminal?
evacuate.
Roger. We'll come in when it's clear.
One of the gunmen! There!
Took you
long enough to get us.
Put your hands up and
Hold
get
on,
down!
stupid you.
Police!
Civilian
get down
is
now!
compliant.
Hands in the air! Get
Civilian
down!
has complied.
Move and clear.
Check. On it. Don't worry,
Stay
I've got
cool. It'll be over soon.
Don't leave me here alone and helpless.
Team to talk.
It could be
Civilian
anyone
ready
who's
to
framed with
evac.
evidence.
Evac.
Tell it to the judge.